Also working on this Samsung dryer. Cousin saying it's making a terrible noise. So we're gonna tear it down and see what's going on. At the same time, water machine over there doing pretty good. It's filling up. We'll unplug it. It's got these two bolts. Top come off. Get the hell out of here. I'll take this bulkhead, these two over here, these two over here. I'm gonna take this off. I don't think it's not dirty. I'm gonna take it off anyway. I'm gonna take this bottom off. Undo this clip just to check to see if any clogs while I'm here. By taking that off, you have access to see if you need to clean it while you while you at it. Like that. At this point, we'll take the belt off and remove the whole drum. I don't see nothing that's out of the ordinary. Evidently making a noise for a reason. On this, I'm bypassing it with a lid switch. It only got 2 wires that you have to tie into, and with this board in my hand, I have to plug that part up, and you mash power, that's off. But when you mash power, you got to open. The reason why I was bypassing is to make sure it wasn't a noise coming from in here. But I don't see what it could be hitting, squealing. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and service these wheels. Make sure they're rolling off freely. Yeah, found out what was wrong. This right here turns. Looks like it's getting ready to break. So we're gonna take this out. Just know how that spring goes. This right here, Phillip. This slides up. This arm right here is loose, and that's what causing it. The pulley look like it's still some good though. Yeah, right there. Yeah. See that? Yeah, it's moving. I may not have to order part. I want just like it. So we're gonna put this on this and see what it does. I can see.